Hey everyone, Shanos here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about a very special and really easy to implement funnel that you can use as an affiliate to just convert these, traffics that you generate, the leads that you generate basically into sales. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, especially if you're building a list, one of the most challenging things you can ever do is actually convert that list into buyers. Especially if you're starting up with something like a free download or a PDF or a video or something. So, if it's something free you're starting the list with, it's going to be really challenging to convert them into something, to a paid list or sell something to that list. So what I'm going to do in this video is I want to talk about a very simple process that you can actually implement. It's a 7-day funnel basically, and what it does is that it actually turns almost any free lead into sales or some sort of sales. It's quite powerful, and it is one of the things that I learned from a long time ago from one of the best email marketers I've ever seen. I don't remember his name, but this guy was just, and I haven't followed his work for a long time, but he was just a master at converting people from free leads into sales, and it was just quite amazing. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how everything works. I'm going to show you all in action. I'm going to talk about each type of email you got to send out and everything, and how the whole process works, so you can see it in action, and also you can actually implement it for your own affiliate marketing business. All right, guys, so let's go to my computer and let's talk about this. Okay, guys, so let's get into it. This is an interesting funnel. As I said, it's very simple, but very effective if you do it right and if you have the patience to make something like this. So the way this works is that obviously, like any funnel, it starts with an opt-in page. So you're gonna start with an opt-in page. Now, there are a lot of different ways to generate leads. You can use Udemy if you want. Again, this is something that I strongly recommend. Solo ads are really, really great when it comes to generating leads. So check it out, Udemy. I'm going to leave a link for you in the description to Udemy as well. All right. So, obviously you want an opt-in page with a autoresponder of some sort. Now for the autoresponder, an opt-in page and everything, I always recommend the system.io. Now this is a great tool. You can start for free, and more importantly, it's going to give you everything you need in one place. Your autoresponder, your landing page builder, your affiliate system, your product system, like if you want to sell a product, if you want to charge people, everything you need is just here in one place, which is really, really awesome, and that's what I love about it. So definitely check it out. I'm going to leave a link to funnels.io, guys, to system.io. Take a look at it, and you can start for free. That's one of the things I love about it. So definitely check it out. So, you want to start with an opt-in page, obviously, get that lead. And then what you want to do is you want to set up a funnel like this. I'm going to explain each and every single one of these details in more details, these videos in more detail, so you can actually see what I mean, like how do they work. So the first day, basically, okay, this is going to be day one, right? So this is where you send that thank you email, whatever your funnel is offering. For example, if it's a free training video or something like that, again, that's where you send that email. Hey, thank you, watch the video or download the PDF that you want, you requested or something. So that would be the average thank you. Now, one of the things I usually do at the end of this video, let me just change the color of this. See, there you go. So one of the things I usually do at the end of this, okay, is I kind of tease this, okay? So one of the things I do is I tease something coming up. So at the end, like a PS note, right? Like something really small. I say, hey, by the way, I'm looking into a very interesting way to do this. For example, if it's a weight loss product, you're gonna say, I'm looking into this interesting brand new method to lose weight. I haven't fully tested it yet, but it seems very interesting. I'll let you know about it later on in future emails. So again, you kind of tease it. It doesn't have to be something crazy. Again, one paragraph at max. I usually do a couple of sentences, really, not even more than that. So just tease it. And then on day 3, again, you completely skip the day 2. You don't want to send emails every single day. That's just annoying. All right. Don't do that. No one likes that. So on day 3, you skip day 2. Okay. On day 3, you're gonna do the full upcoming promotion tease. All right. So the idea with this is that you are going to send an email and say, hey, by the way, I've been testing this. Like, this is more like a public statement, right? You're going to say, I've been testing this product. It's really cool. It does this, that. Again, you talk a little bit about the feature, but not too much. That's the idea. So you want to tease them, but you don't want to give them too much information. So idea with this email is that you want to get them excited. That is pretty much it. Like, have some pictures, all that stuff. Like, just get them excited. There are no links, nothing. I know it's really hard to send an email and not put a link in there, but trust me, it's progress. It's all about prepping people to just get that sell, right? So don't have anything, just like tease the promotion, tease the product you're testing, like say, hey, it does this, that, it's really cool. I like this part of it, that part of it, all that stuff. So again, kind of a teaser, right? And then next one, that would be day 5. Okay, again, we skip day 4. This is where you do another one of these teasers, but instead you're actually going to show the results with the product. Like, not your results if you don't have them, but like other people's results. You know, like, if usually the products that you sell as an affiliate, they have testimonials, right? So one of the things you can do is you can send an email and just have the picture testimonials or anything and say, hey, look, the product I've been testing, it's really cool. It does this and that. Look at these people who used it. I can't share the link with you yet, but I will do that soon. So again, you want to tease it. This is another tease, guys. This is not a sell. This is another tease, okay? Same as this. This is another tease. So with that being said, now it's been 5 days and 2 full tease emails and 1 like a half email where you just are kind of dropping some information about this product, but you're not selling anything. And this is a point where people are going to be like, okay, what is this thing? Please let me check it out, right? Seriously, like, it happens if you do it right. And this is where the next day is where you start selling. Now, this is going to be the first offer email. This is going to be like a one-time email. The idea with this is to basically send an email and say, hey, by the way, this is the product I've been testing. I was finally able to get a discount or something. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be discount, but you know, say, hey, check it out. It's going to be available for a very short time. Again, all this scarcity, all this stuff that you use to make an offer, like a one-time offer. That's really, really important. So this is day 6. It's like a full sell email, right? Like, talk about the features, results, like kind of show them in there again. Say, hey, I've been testing this, that, you know, all that stuff, and put a link to your affiliate product. So that is the tease email. And the next day, which is going to be the final email, I usually call this the final notice, because that's like usually the email subject of it, the final notice. It's just really cool and really it picks the attention, but like, it's not too spammy, you know. It's really cool. A lot of people open this. So the final notice, and this is where you say, hey, one last time, this is going to be closed soon. Check it out. Also, I have a bonus, and you can create a bonus. It's very, very important if you want to promote an affiliate product the right way. Because, hey, I have this awesome bonus, and you can download it as well. If you buy the product, just send me a reply and I'll give you the bonus. So the bonus can be anything. I usually go out and get a PLR product, like buy a PLR product and just give it as a bonus. In case if you don't know what's a PLR stands for private label rights. And you can just Google PLR products. You can buy them for $5 and just sell it or give it as a bonus like this. So you have extra bonuses. So you say, hey guys, final notice, closing soon. These are the features, benefits, and things like that. And here's a bonus I'm throwing in. Last time I'm sending this email, and check out. And it is truly the last time, guys. So it is truly the last time you're not sending this email anymore. So that is going to be basically the last notice, right? And yeah, so this is how it works. This is like a 7-day process. Not exactly 7 emails, but 7 days. And I actually have a full course about this, believe it or not. It's called the 7 touch funnel, something like that. It's in University. You can check it out. By the way, the University subscription is finally here. Like, you can access all University courses, dozens of courses for one subscription. It's pretty awesome. So again, it's the course is called 7 touch funnel inside University. Check it out. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. Like, it's just how you convert someone who just opted in to download a free ebook or like watch a free video, you turn them to an actual sale. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. Also, check out the link in the description. That's going to take you to system.io. Again, that's the tool I use to build my funnels, from the landing pages itself to all the email process like campaigns and everything. So it's a really great software because it just gives you everything you need in one place, and you can actually start for free. So it's really cool. It gives you everything you need to start your online business and affiliate campaigns basically as fast as possible. It's really cool, guys. You should definitely check it out. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Again, let me know if you have any questions about this. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in the next one.